Hi friends, welcome back to Neil Explains. Today we have got a question that stumps a lot of people. If you think 8 divided by 8 that is 1, divided by 8 divided by 8 that is 1, and 1 divided by 1 that's 1, this is not going to correct. So we will solve it in step by step method and break it down. So as we know, there are division operations and all are in the same level according to MDAS. So we will solve it from left to right. Left to right. So here 8 divided by 8 divided by 8 divided by 8. We will solve first for this. 8 divided by 8, 8 divided by 8 divided by 8. Okay. Now we can write this 1 divided by 8 as like this, and same, and we will apply KCF rule. Okay. We will apply KCF rule, which denotes keep, change and flip. We will keep this 1 by 8, change this division side will become multiplication, we will change it to multiplication, and F for flip. We can write 8 as 8 by 1. Okay, so when we flip that, it will become 1 by 8. So it will be written as 1 by 8. Now if we multiply the both numerator part, 1 is to 1, which is 1, and denominator 8 into 8, that is equal to 16, this will become the real answer, not 1. So here answer is 1 by 16. And if you do mastery in maths, so go and check out 13 super books that's available on our description. And thanks for watching, and keep supporting us by subscribing and viewing our channel, and see you in the next question.